We are up above the gym building here at Reno High. That's a roof replacement, and there'll be some various repairs throughout the rest of the campus. We're also doing some major parking lot repairs, crack patching, slurry seal, that type of stuff.
Well, it's really exciting to see the work that's happening here at Reno High School this summer, fulfilling the promise of WC1 to reinvest that money into our core schools. You know, this is a historic building, an important landmark in our community, and we need to maintain the beauty of the building.
And then at the stadium, we are doing the full track replacement. The track was built over 20 years ago.
There's so many families that have ties to Reno High School. The generations of families have attended the school.
We want to maintain that history while we kind of modernize it. And so it's a building that can sustain over time. And having these funds and being able to improve it, it will just make our school days so much better.
We're at Reno High every year. That happens at our older facilities. There's just a lot that needs to be touched up on a regular basis, and that's what we're here for.
You know, when you take a look at Bud Beasley from the outside, it looks like almost a brand new school. But in actuality, the school is 25 years old. It opened up in 1995. So this carpet has never been replaced that we're replacing thanks to WC1 funds. The teachers and the students are just going to be able to really kind of dive into their learning environment without having to worry about possible trip hazards as we walk into the classroom. And then cleaning wise, it's so much better to have a polished type of concrete in order to clean schools, especially with what we're going through right now with the COVID-19. It just makes it a lot better, healthier environment.
We are taking out old unit ventilators and replacing them with new unit ventilators. We're taking off the old evaporative cooler units on top, and then we're putting a chiller pump house to feed the cold water and hot water through the trench here. These are heating lines, and we'll be putting cold water lines in here, and they will connect to a unit ventilator that will pump air in here, hot, cold.
When our students and our teachers and our staff and our principals are able to learn and work and teach in buildings that are comfortable, warm in the winter and cool in the hotter summer months, it does nothing but support learning.
It will be definitely more efficient. The air will be more balanced, more controllable.
It's vitally important to upgrade our existing buildings. We talk about the safety and the security and the comfort of our students, and it begins with projects like the one that's happening at Palmer this summer. So it's amazing to see everything that's going on.